Hello everyone, welcome again. Today I have a special gift from Ieebee. Thank you Ieebee for these amazing, beautiful washi tapes. This is perfect and just in time for some Christmas creations. So I'm so excited to share these with you. Look how beautiful they are. And it comes, of course, they're packages with some ideas and a few instructions. Actually, just loads of ideas. I'm looking for the Christmas section. So in case you want that, look at that. It gives you so many inspirations. And I'm opening these up for the first time as I show them to you. So this comes with a set of 24 washi tapes. They're each one so different and unique and so beautiful. I love that they blend so many colors together and it all fits the season of Christmas. Look at these. Oh, I love this one. Some are more playful and fun. Some are more classic and traditional. I think there's such a wide variety. So I'm so excited to get started with these. I'm already trying to think up some ideas. Ooh, look at this one. This one says Christmas. Merry Christmas. Oh, this one is great for signs or cards. And here's the second box. So these colors are a little bit more traditional, I think. I love these. I love this red and green. And the shine, the gold mixed in. So I'm not going to open them all for you. I'm just going to show you a quick little glimpse like this. Some have text on it. Oh, look at this one. Oh, that could look so cute. The snowman faces, gingerbread men. Oh, it's such a variety. Ho, ho, ho. So I think this would suit any card, any journal page. You know me, I'm into journaling, so I'm so looking forward to using these for my journals. And here are just a few quick samples of videos to come of how I use the washi tapes. Don't forget to see the link below for a 30% discount code from Ieebee for the season of Christmas. See you in the next video.